Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm also doing great. So, firstly, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir for giving me this opportunity to discuss on my topic. And my topic is uh, if I will become CM for the one day. One day. If I will meet CM, if I will become CM. So, should I start?
Oh, sure.
If I will make theorem, then first of all, I will change firstly I will change the first rule that I will I will change every rules. I will change every rules and first of all, my I will change the rule that for those people, those who rape girls, because that's why girls not going outside because they feel scared and I will make again strict. I will take against strict action for them, and I will show that they will get the punishment for doing this type of things. And I will make old age house for those who are living outside, not living with their families, and I will provide shelter for the animals and for street animal.
What is
Any
that?
question?
Shall I start? What is the difference, Chief Minister and Governor?
Yes.
What is the difference between Chief Minister and Governor?
Sorry, I don't have idea.
Okay.
Ask if you question.
What change would you like to make in our education system?
I will make change in school education, in government education, because they are not providing good education to their students, and there are not good teachers also.
So, which sector according to you, which sector is weak in UP, and what will you do to separate this sector from lower position to upper position?
Can you make answer
Okay,
very
which
clear?
sector are you looking like healthcare, education, or other sector? According to you, that is weak, and you want that uh, to help that sector.
I will help in the hospitals of government because they are not providing good facilities uh, to the patients, not providing the beds, not providing good treatment, not providing good medicines. So I will help in government
But
hospitals.
already in SGPGI and KGMA, there is a better healthcare facilities
Not
providing by
so,
that hospital managements.
not
Some
not so much, not so many hospitals. They are not providing good services.
okay, so what will you do? What do you plan? How will you manage this problem or tackle this problem?
I will manage this problem by providing good doctors in government hospitals,
But there
and
is already good doctors.
no, there is no good
It's
doctor
not.
there.
I personally I don't think that's a mistake of doctor. It's a mistake of the management system who are
So
running the
if
hospitals and
so if
manage.
so if government take the actions, no, that's then it's change.
But current government has also the same power. They are also taking the actions, but there is no improvement we can witness. So what will you do as a CM?
Government is not taking the strict action. That's why the rules is not changing.
So what types of strict action will you do against the management of the hospitals or healthcare?
If uh, I will give punishments that if there is no, if I will give the responsibility, there is I will put doctors in the government hospital. If I will say that I will give the punishment that those who will not come and come in the government hospital, so they will be punished.
What is your think this time education system are best or not?
I think in government school there is not good education. Private school, it is much better education than government school because they are providing good teachers for the English communication. It becomes strong communication in private schools. In government school, they are not providing any good service and anything.
As a CM, what is your opinion? What are you doing with this time in education system?
I will provide good teachers so that a student can easily do the easily sorry easily educate. and it improve their English. I will provide good teachers for them, for those students those who are in government schools.
But this time, very best teacher in uh, government schools already.
There is no best teacher in government school. They are not giving best education. They are only time pass
Okay,
in schools.
like you said, there are only time pass, but in uh, UP itself there is more IIT, NIT, triple IT. So that teacher is also time pass or not?
I have in my area I have say there is no good teacher.
But
That's why I'm
you are a
telling.
CM. Be think like a CM. If you are become a CM, you will have to see all the state, not just your area, like your Vidhan Sabha or I can say the parliament area. Sorry, constitutional area where you belong to. So okay, that's it.
What will be the first step you take for the girls' safety, women's
I
safety?
will make again. I will give strict punishment those who are misbehaving with girls and doing anything. I will give a strict punishment of like 1 year jail and anything. Yes,
What changes will you bring to develop villages?
yes.
What changes will you bring to develop villages?
I will provide them food and I will provide good water. They because they are not getting good waters and food. I will provide them.
How is the chief minister appointed?
Sorry, I don't have idea.
Okay.
According to you, what CM provide free education?
Yes, in government hospital they are providing free educations because they are government schools.
Being a CM, do you think that freebies are good for citizens?
Sorry.
Being a CM, do you think that freebies are good for citizens, people? Freebies. Freebies like giving free food or shelter to the people.
It is good to.
Freebie. Is it good for the people?
Yes, it is good for the people because they have nothing to eat, but government is providing food to them, so it is good. It is beneficial for them. No, why it is wrong?
How you stop those politicians who misuse their powers?
If I will become CM, and I will not use. I will not do any type.
To stop those politicians, leaders who are under your, the how you stop them to misuse, because most of the time, as we see nowadays, they are family. If they do any kind of crime and all, they don't get any kind of punishment. So how can you then use your power to prevent us from that kind of people?
I will. I will take against action for them. I will discuss. I will discuss and say because nowadays people giving the money and uh, close the cases of every anything. So I will take against action for them. I will make strict rules for them.
But as we know that anybody who take strict action, they go jail, and after few hours, or you can say that, yeah, maximum one day, they come back and do the same thing.
Mostly in India it is common, but in other countries it is not common. If I will give you the example of Saudi. If there is if they will take any if sorry if they will do any type of crime, if they are doing any crime, then they will the government take strict action against them. uh, like they if they stole anything, then the government cut their hands, and if they're doing big crime, then they will cut the head. Yes, yes, sir. I will bring this type of qualities in our India.
If you bring the laws of Saudis or Gulf countries, but India is a democratic republic what's about the rights of the people? If someone
I'm-
hasn't done that crime, they will hang. About the rights of human? What about the human
If
rights
they
of
are
that
doing
people?
crime, that then we will punish them.
But it will take more years to get the justice. According to Saudi, they instantly hang them.
No, if they are doing any crime, then
How will you go? In India also, uh, there are innocent people who are still, I can say, still in a jail right now. So what about that people?
because nowadays, because of lawyer, they will not get the